Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Ishat Ahmed and welcome back to my another new video. So I hope you guys all are keeping cool by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am doing also very fantastic. And you know what, today I'm not come here to share with you guys any learning topic. Today I am just going to talking with you guys randomly. And you know what, I am very much happy because I have come to my village home, and my village home is in Chapanababganj. Many of you guys know about Chapanababganj, and it's very famous city for mango. You know, Chapanababganj is also called for mango city, and I am here right now. Actually, I came here to spend my Eid vacation. I have like enjoying a lot. My Eid was fantastic with my family, with my friends and with my relatives. You know, when I came here, I have saw many of my old friends and many of my relatives, and it was really fantastic. I am enjoying a lot. And you know what, I am today actually came to my rooftop of my house, and I am talking with you guys actually. And you know what, Chapai is famous for mango, so it's the summer season, I mean the season of mango. So we are like having so many mangoes. You know, the green mangoes are really so much tasty, like a little bit sour, little bit sweet. It was just amazing. I'm just having lots of green mangoes here. And also the sad thing of Chapanababganj is the weather. The weather is actually always stay very high. You know, some days ago the weather was 45 or 44 degrees Celsius, which is actually so much high, and it was so much, what I can say, so hot. So you can understand the weather is so high, I mean so hot. So really it is actually the sad thing of Chapai. But however, the village is actually so nice and so beautiful, and everything is like going very nice. And what about you guys? How was your Eid actually gone? How much salami you guys got? You can also let me know by comment down below. And yeah, please like let me know how was your Eid gone, and where is your home district, or how you enjoy your Eid, or you can actually let me know by commenting. So yeah guys, that is it about my today's video. I am just like turn on my camera just for because my practicing English, because whenever I came my home, actually I forgot that I have to make videos, I have to practice English, because you know, here I have like found my old friends, my relatives, my cousins. So I was like busy to talking with them, to enjoy with them. Sometimes I actually forgot that I have to practice English, because you know, I have got my like I found my friends, my family members, my cousins. So I was like started to enjoying with them. I just like chit chat with them. So sometimes I really forgot to make videos, and so today I am just like open my camera and talking with you guys randomly. So I hope you guys like my today's video, like what I am talking about. I don't know, but still. And yeah, if you guys like, don't forget to give like, comment, share, and as well please follow my Facebook page that I can reach 5K followers very soon. And yeah, that is all for today. So see you in the next videos. Take care of yourself, and don't forget to practice English every day, because practice makes a man perfect. And yeah, Allah Hafiz.